Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're wondering, Yvette, what is going on with the cinnamon? How can I also use cinnamon to attract money? Tell me. Now listen, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to give you multiple ways of using cinnamon to attract and bring in more money. The only thing you need to do is to watch this video all the way through because you guys know I love to throw in extra tips. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that gives manifesting techniques in all different ways, all in one place. So don't forget to support this channel by liking, subscribing, tapping the bell, and most of all, watching the next video. Now, if you want to know how you can use cinnamon to bring in that moolah, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about cinnamon? Now, if you watch my other videos, you guys already know I am a cinnamon person, everyone. So now, listen. I'm going to give you some simple things that you can do with cinnamon to keep that energy coming into you for abundance, for money. Now, we're specifically talking about money in this video. Now, one thing that I need to tell you guys before you guys even get started, and that is you must plan in advance that this is what you're going to do with your ritual or your technique. You really need to find quiet time. If you want to, take a sea salt bath to actually get yourself in the mood for doing something to attract money into your life. You can even sage your home, everyone, to keep the house, your environment, your surrounding clear of negativity. Now, what is the first technique that I want to tell you that's very simple? If you plan to sage your home, one of the best things that you can do after saging your home is to follow it with cinnamon. You can light a cinnamon incense to actually go behind saging your home to attract money into your home. Now listen, there are cinnamon incense that you can use. And there's also on my shop sage that come with cinnamon in it. And as you're burning the sage, you're also burning the cinnamon. Again, this is something very simple to do. You're going to sage your home, and then after that, open the windows to bring in that fresh air. That is a way of keeping the negativity out and bringing in the positive energy of attracting money. Now, another thing that you can do using cinnamon is to take a little bit of your cinnamon from your kitchen, put it in the palm of your hand, go to the front of your door, face towards inside your home, and blow it into your home. As you're blowing the cinnamon in your home, you can make a statement as I blow the cinnamon in my home, money comes to me in unexpected and expected ways. As I blow the cinnamon in my home, money comes to me on a continuous basis. It is just that simple. Cinnamon is known in feng shui and in herbal magic as being one of the top items to attract money into your life. So it's great to actually blow a little bit of cinnamon. I'm talking about a half a teaspoon in your home and then leave it there for a day and then sweep it up. Now, another thing that you can do using cinnamon, you can actually take a cinnamon stick or a cinnamon chip and you can place it in your wallet right next to your money. Now, getting to programming. I don't want you guys just to blow cinnamon in your home or basically put cinnamon in your wallet and just leave it there. I really need you, when you're blowing that cinnamon in your home, to set the intent of what it is that you want. As I blow the cinnamon in my home, money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. As I blow the cinnamon in my home, money comes to me on a continuous basis. It's the same when you take that cinnamon and you place it in your wallet. Before placing that cinnamon in your wallet, Hold it in your hand and just say, thank you, God, for blessing me with all the money that I need. At this moment, I place this cinnamon in my wallet and everything that I need is already there. Whatever you want to say. You could even mention a specific amount, okay? Now, another tip that I want to give you. Before placing the cinnamon in your wallet, you are welcomed to place money oil on it. Place a little on your hand and rub the cinnamon stick or chip on that. Or you can use magnet oil, which attracts to you whatever it is you're programming it to do. So you can put a little on your hand and you can say, thank you, God, for blessing me. As I put the cinnamon stick in my wallet, it is bringing nothing but abundance to me in expected and unexpected ways. And by doing that, using magnet oil, money drawing oil, better business oil, prosperity oil, you are actually programming this little cinnamon stick to bring abundance in your life. And again, you're going to leave it. But I just wanted to point out that a lot of you need to get used to programming whatever it is you're using to do the job. Now, the next little technique that I want to show you involves using a little bag. You can use whatever it is that you have. You're going to place a cinnamon stick that is programmed, everyone, to attract abundance, to attract money in the little bag. Now, what are you going to do with this? You can also add, again, a crystal of your choice that attracts abundance. It could be a green aventurine, it could be a citrine, it could be a pyrite, which is also known as fool's gold, it can be a jade, whatever it is you want to use, and you're going to place it in the bag. Now, another thing you can place in this bag is a bay leaf, also known to attract abundance. You can put on there a specific amount. You can write on it, thank you, God, this is done. Whatever it is that you want to write on the bay leaf, okay? And you're going to place it in there also. Now, you can be creative and add different things to it. And you're going to put this in your wallet or your pocketbook, wherever you want to place it, okay? You might want to place this in your car, in your office, whatever it is you want to do. And it is just that simple. When it comes down to mixing cinnamon with other items, you can use this in many different ways. Again, I have cinnamon in my front door, at my front door. It's here mixed with all types of items that actually attract money into my life. So I'm never without it. It's always coming in expected and unexpected ways. So I have this at my door and it's been there for years, everyone, okay? So I'm just giving you guys some ideas of what you can do with cinnamon to actually bring in that abundance. Another technique that I want to tell you guys involving cinnamon, again, and that is making a money jar. This is very simple. And again, if you guys need to know specifically how to do these things, please go to the Herbal Magic playlist. All of these things that I am explaining to you now in this video is step by step for each one. So again, this is something simple that I'm just explaining to you, but if you want more information, go to the playlist. Now, a money jar involves you taking multiple things again and placing it in a jar and keeping it around your house. I keep this in my kitchen above my refrigerator. In here has money, it has money crystals, it has cinnamon, it has bay leaves, it has everything in here. And it has been programmed to bring abundance into my home. Now, the last technique that I want to show you involves cinnamon powder, a dollar bill or $5 bill, whatever you want to use. If you don't have paper currency, you are welcome to use fake money. What you're going to do is wet the dollar, wet the money, okay? And you're going to sprinkle cinnamon on it. And I want you to draw a line towards yourself. And then I want you to fold the money towards you, okay? Turn it, fold it towards you. Now it's wet, okay? Fold it towards you. I don't want it to be soaking wet, but wet enough to hold the cinnamon in place as you fold it. And then once you fold it and it's small, it will stick because it's wet. And once it dries, it will dry in the shape of whatever it is you fold it in. What are you going to do with this? You're going to take this and you're going to place it in your wallet in a slot. Now, it doesn't take up a lot of room. You're just going to place it there. And that is it, everyone. Now, while you're doing this, you're actually thinking again, setting the intent for this to bring abundance to you in expected and unexpected ways. And that is it. Now, one tip that I want to give you guys about using cinnamon or any other ritual or technique to bring in money. You have to work on yourself. You really need to let go of anything that could be inside of you that can actually be holding you back. Now, for those of you that are still here, I got one extra technique that you can use to bring in money. And that is using cinnamon with a candle, everyone. You can actually anoint your candle with oil, magnet oil, prosperity oil, money drawing oil. Roll it on your hand, coming towards you, and then sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on the candle. Then actually burn the candle. Why are you doing this? Not only do you have a green candle that brings in abundance, you also have anointed it with magnet oil, and then you place cinnamon on it, and now you're burning it. At the same time, while you're burning this candle, you are setting the intent for money to come to you. But I will say, if you're using any type of candles, never leave a burning candle alone. Please don't. So, okay, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I just gave you multiple ways of using cinnamon to attract money. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell, but most of all, watch the next video. If you want any of these items that I am showing you in this video, look in the description, go to the store, everything is right there.